Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me, I've got our brand new set of smoked LED taillights fitting your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. These taillights feature a durable black housing as well as a completely smoked rear-facing lens. Now that also features a nice glow bar around the entire perimeter, as well as sequential turn signals and brake lights, and then a super bright reverse light right in the center. They also feature the red LED markers on the side, both top and bottom, to really give them a factory look and an aggressive design in the back. Now these are going to fit all halogen and LED models, including if you have the blind spot management system, as these do have two plugs in the back. This one will simply go right in, and then if you do have the blind spot management, this will plug right into that and go into your original unit that you're going to swap out into here. Now, if you don't like the smoke look, we also have these available in a red lens as well as a completely clear lens. These will completely match any style that you're going for in your Gladiator. So with that being said, we're going to show you how easy these are to install in your 2020 or newer Jeep Gladiator. So if you've got the halogen taillights like we do on the back of this Gladiator, the only tool you're going to need is an 8mm socket, and that's to remove these two screws on the inside of your bed. Now you just drop the tailgate, simply use an 8mm and get on there, and remove these two first. Get the one pulled out, and then this one is just about under your strap here. I like to hold on to the taillight even though it does go into some pins. Still don't want it to fall on you. Get the second one pulled out, and then just simply pull this towards you a little bit firmly. Would honestly feel a little bit sketchy when you first do it, but trust me, it will pull right out. And then the only thing you need to do to remove the harness is simply push down on this red clip, just like that. Make sure they push together good. Push down on there, and simply separate it, and that's how you remove the factory halogen taillight. So once you have your factory taillight removed, go ahead and grab your brand new smoked housing taillight. We're gonna be doing ours on the passenger side. Now the only plug you need to plug in if you do have a halogen edition is just the larger block plug. And that'll simply go right into here, and you'll hear a small click, just like that, and that's all you need to do. This will simply tuck all the wiring in the back there, slide this right on, and it'll clip right in like so. Now the last step is just install those two screws that we pulled out before, and then we'll show you guys what this looks like in comparison to the factory taillight. We'll go over and replace both of them and give you a full look. I think they look absolutely killer already, so I can't wait to see what they both look like. All right, so running lights, brake lights, turn signal for the factory, turn signal for the aftermarket. Here's four ways. Put it in reverse. All right guys, well that's going to be a wrap on this installation. Overall, it takes about a minute to get both of these installed, and you only need an 8mm socket if you're just doing a halogen like we did. I think that these look absolutely incredible on the back end here, and I'm not making anything up. This completely changes the look of the back end of the Jeep, and if you have a base model Sport like this that has all the black accents, this smoked coloring really does a great job to continue that flow around the rest of the vehicle. Now, if you want to check out these, as well as the clear and red lens versions to perfectly match your build and the color scheme you're going with, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com. And until next time, I'll see you out on the trail.